Hi, I'm Superintendent Bahr with a reminder that ballots are due February 10th for our replacement educational programs and operations levy. If you haven't already voted, don't forget to return your ballot soon. This renewal levy funds about 17% of Peninsula School District's budget, bridging the gap between state funding and what it actually takes to provide what all students need to be successful. The levy supports teachers, counselors, nurses, paraeducators, athletics, extracurriculars, transportation, and the targeted help that ensures every student can succeed. Even with this renewal, we maintain the second lowest overall school tax rate in Pierce County, and every dollar stays local. February is Career and Technical Education Month. CTE programs give students hands-on learning in healthcare, construction, engineering, culinary arts, technology, and much more. These are not just classes. They are launching pads that equip students with real skills, confidence, and direction, whether they're headed to a 4-year university, community college, apprenticeship, or straight into the workforce. I have seen the power of CTE firsthand. My husband entered education through a CTE pathway, and he is now a superintendent himself. His journey reminds us these programs open doors that students might not have known existed. Thank you for your continued partnership in supporting every student's success. Remember to vote by February 10th. Thank you.